Hi, my name is Adam Krokalski, and I am in the System Administration class or program. I'm looking to get better at the software side of things. I've always kind of been more of a hardware-focused guy, so learning how to properly do computers and IT is something that I'm really looking forward to doing. I like to hike. I grew up in Arizona, so the deserts and canyons were kind of my thing, but here in Wisconsin it's all forest, which is cool to explore. Normally I love to drive, but with the price of gas, it's really hard. I like to build computers, um, self-taught, as scary as that probably is to some people. I like to cook and love to play video games, hence why I got into building computers. I have read the syllabus. I understand what's inside. I understand Blackboard and the layout. It's something I'm familiar with. I have already tested the connectivity to my virtual machines and logged into them and done the little introduction section. And I am good to go for the semester.